speaking of driver pay, unfortunately, as more drivers come onto the platform, that means there's more slices of pie that have to be doled up. And
Yeah.
that means more rides are going to more drivers, which means you have a lower utilization rate, which is the time that you're online versus the time that you're actually active or have a person in the car on the way to a ride, which is period 2 and 3. And we're seeing declines all over. And thankfully to everybody out there and more people who are sending screenshots and everything, we're starting to put some pieces of that puzzle together. And unfortunately, the trend at this moment is not good. And, there's always ebbs and flows of everything. And I'm hoping that we're going to be hitting the bottom peak soon. I don't know if it's going to be or not, but let's hope. We Zoom, thank you for becoming a member. Appreciate that. And
You're a member. All right. So this, I'm humbled. I appreciate it to no end. Okay. The community, it was 2 or 3 weeks ago, maybe, I think. I said, okay, there is an in-app message that Uber sends you saying that work between this and this hour and your median earnings in your city is going to be this, right? It's like a rah-rah, get out there and drive kind of a thing. And it comes with 3 different tiers. It comes with Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., because those are all peak time. That's when people go to work and travel and airports and things. Then they put one out in afternoon rush hour, Monday through Friday, 5 to 8 p.m., okay? And then they put one out, Chris, on the weekends, Friday to Sunday, either 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. or 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., right? Those are the 3 areas that they pick on because that's when they need the drivers most. They need supplied the most, right? So here's the deal. I said this, I showed it from a couple of cities about 3-4 weeks ago, and I said, community, please send them to me as soon as you get it. Well, guess what, Chris? I think I'm up to 50. I actually this is from yesterday. Since yesterday, I had added 3 more cities. So what do I do? I take all this info. See, you guys think I get this info and just trash it? No, we don't do any of that shit here. What we do is we make spreadsheets. We love spreadsheets. We love our spreadsheets here. So what do I do? In alphabetical order, I go put what Uber sent within the app. Because Uber, when Len Sherman wrote that article, they go like, boo-hoo-hoo, we don't take 40%, we only take 20. I'm all like, okay. But this is from the horse's mouth. This is from Uber to you guys within your apps. Now, every single one that I got,
again, thank you for being a member.
I am encouraging everyone to keep sending these as soon as it shows up in their app. Okay? All I'm going to do is add new cities and add to the timeline of the trend that's going on. So it starts at the moment with Albuquerque and ends with upstate New York. So all these alphabetical cities, and you guys will see, take a look at this. Atlanta, I have it put up to twice. Austin, I have it put up twice because drivers sent to me screenshots of the in-app messages for, let's say, in Austin. Let's take Austin. Austin, the first one, Friday to Sunday, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Look at this trend, Chris. Started at 33, which was about 2 months ago, 2.5, 3 months ago. Then went down to 28. Then went down to 24. And now the last one I got was 22. Now, you guys look at this spreadsheet. Chris,
$11 difference.
I think, show me one city that the week after and the week after is higher than the first number that I put up. One time, one city.
What city is that?
None. That's that city. None city. There is not one. Look at the first one, Albuquerque. It was 27, now it's 26. Friday to Sunday, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Okay. The worst place to be in right now, I think, is let me see, where is the lowest number? I think it's DFW.
Boston was going 46, 38, now 32.
Yep.
That's got to be like XL or something, or black. I mean,
no, that's X. That's X. Oh, by the way, this is all Uber X. Okay. And this is not active hour. This is per online hour, Chris. I checked this with Uber. Yep. They said, yep, it's online hour. This is median income. Median meaning it's median. It's not average, it's median. Median falls on a line, right? It always says, you guys have seen these messages. So please send them to me. Keep sending them to me. Do not get discouraged. But if you look at like Austin has 4 numbers because I have dates involved within those 4 numbers. Now let's take a look at Chicago. Chicago was 33, went down to 31. Now it's down to 26, Friday to Sunday between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. Now DFW's got to be probably the worst place to be an Uber driver at the moment. Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., Chris, is $20. Now, people, this is $20 online hour median income before expenses. This is from Uber. Uber, you cannot rebut this, argue with this. This is you sending this to the driver community, saying, woohoo, work between 5 and 8 p.m. You're going to go get $20 per online hour. I'm like, okay. What about my expenses of $5 minimum per hour, Uber? I mean, should I go flip burgers now? Maybe I should. So all these cities are here to see for you guys. And I'm going to keep adding to this. This spreadsheet is going to look beautiful. This spreadsheet is going to go to the media, by the way. I have a couple of interested journalists in talking about this. Let's look at Houston. In fact, I did a TV spot in Houston. I'm going to do one again on Thursday. Friday to Sunday, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. 22, 21, and we're down to 19 now. I'm just looking for teens. Oh, I got one. Worst place to be on the planet. Be a driver in Atlanta. Monday through Friday between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m., Chris. Are you ready for this? 19, 18, and 16, Chris.
Ooh.
6 freaking teen per online hour before expenses.
Wow.
So Atlanta, feel bad for you.
We're dropping. I mean, even something like Knoxville, you start at 40, you go down to 34, and then you hit 27.
Yep. It's all dropping. There's not one city, I swear to God, there's not one city that's higher than it was before the previous week. So this is also a good indicator of when to drive and when not to drive. Look, if I'm in Atlanta, okay, and between Monday and Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., morning rush hour, it's paying me down to 16 now, I'm not driving. So change your shift. Think about it, people. Change your shift to a higher time, zone. So Friday through Sunday, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., Atlanta is 21. Well, which one is better? I'd rather get 21. Yes, you have to deal with drunks and shit, but hey, 21 is better than 16, okay? So you all know what this looks like in your app. It comes with a blue line saying, okay, go online now. Do not hesitate. I don't care how many you guys send them to me. Keep sending them, whatever cities, whatever states, whatever hours. This is how it's going to look. The spreadsheet's going to keep growing. And FYI, Chris, last one in LA that I received personally was 28 between Monday and Friday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, please, we have a huge crowd in LA. Please send me the other time zones. Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday through Friday through Monday or Sunday, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. or 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. I'm missing. I need those. Okay, one. And guess what? I got one yesterday, Chris. It was blank. It was blank. There were no dollar numbers.
What did it say? Like, what did it say?
I think I sent it to you. Did I send you that screenshot?
No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, no. It says, get out there and work. It's busy now between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. There is no dollar number. So Uber, if you're watching, which I know you are, and the cat's out of the bag. Look at all this I have. So what are you going to do? For each city now, you're going to send them blanks? Like saying, well, just get out and work. It should be okay. No, because I have this info. I mean, it's on my hard drive, and it's going to get larger and larger. I have about 50 cities already. I'm going to keep adding it. So please, this is called crowdsource. This is called crowdsourced information funding right here.
Yeah.
So when you guys do send me that shit, you guys should understand that I am doing stuff with it as opposed to just sitting on it. Let's see some more winners. What do we have winners? St. Louis, 35, 31, 27. Pittsburgh, Friday to Sunday, 10 p.m., 5 a.m., 31, 30, and 26. The trend is not your friend, people. And Athens, Georgia. Look at that one. Monday through Friday, 5 p.m., 8 p.m. 18, now down to 17. Holy shit. This is
Wow.
online before expenses. There you go, people. See what I mean? This is what we do. Okay, send it to me. OKC, Bill Millistrom, send it to me. It will be added to the spreadsheet. So Uber.
And then we can update it and see. And then, here's the thing. If it starts going up,
yes,
that'll be a good thing.
Then we're gonna hit it hard, right? So this is also a good trend. This is also a good indicator of when should you work, what shift you should work. You should, so forget this freedom, flexibility bullshit. Obviously, all numbers are different. So if you're working the morning shift, let's say after you drop your kids off at school and you're not making money, well, there is an obvious reason. Uber is actually telling you that you're not going to make that much money. So this is a good indicator of when to work, where to work, not where. I don't know where to work in your city, but when, because Uber has the data. Uber is sending you this. I'm not sending you this. So, but also figure out your expenses. All those numbers are online hours before expenses.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.